Hi, my name is Jessica Adams, and I'm a sales director for our Maximo stream within Prometheus Group, and we are WIRAM advocates. We are a WIRAM advocate because of the amazing work that we've seen women doing across the organizations that we work with. It is very important to Prometheus Group to promote diversity in the workplace. This is a topic that I'm actually really excited about, having my own experience working across our global offices. So in order to best support our customer base, we must have a diverse workforce within Prometheus itself. So we have customers spanning from Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Europe, the Americas, and in order to best support them, we must have employees that speak the local languages and have cultural understandings of these different parts of the world. My own personal experience in working in the Asia Pacific region really opened my eyes to the importance of diversity within our company. Prometheus Group supports women in this industry by giving them forums to share their experiences with us. So our recent Q4 Prometheus Ladies event included a customer speaker who dialed in to share her experience and what it took to become a maintenance and reliability professional. Her story has been really inspiring, and we are also planning more of these events and have even scheduled in a women's lunch for our women that are attending our user conference in 2020. Back to my Southeast Asia story. So we have a consultant with Prometheus Group named Lucia who is leading our functional consulting and training team within Indonesia. So we would not be able to connect with our Indonesian customers the way that we have had we not had Lucia on the team leading this group of trainers. So she has been an amazing asset to our team. She has brought a lot of energy to our team as well, and she really has rave reviews from all of her customers. And she has an amazing following on LinkedIn and shares all of her training experiences with the social media following. So I think she is a prime example of how, not only a female, but also a female from Southeast Asia was able to, she was the best fit for the job. And she was able to bring a level of experience and just, like I said earlier, overall energy to this role within our Asia Pacific region that no one else could have filled. Go follow her on LinkedIn. She's awesome. So I think with the aging workforce that we're seeing within this space does open up a huge opportunity for women that are graduating from college or leaving trade school to pursue these careers in this industry. I would definitely encourage women to pursue reliability and asset management careers because this is essentially an untapped market for women in this space. So there are amazing support organizations available like WIRAM for women that would like to break into this field. And there's also diversity initiatives across lots of organizations right now that will also support women who are interested in, beginning careers or changing careers to be within the reliability and maintenance space. All the women that we've worked with across our customer base have just been super talented, and we've been really, really impressed with the value that they can bring to the table.